Inserting Smart Art.
It is easy to understand a topic when it is expressed as diagrams and lists. In PowerPoint, we use Smart Art to do this. It is a visual representation of your information. Various types of Smart Art diagrams used in PowerPoint are given below. Type of diagram used when lists show non-sequential information. Process show steps of a process in a sequence. Cycle show a process that repeats in continuous cycle. Hierarchy show hierarchical relationships such as an organization chart. Relationship show connections. Matrix show 4 items arranged into quadrants. Picture show pictures to convey content. Pyramid show how elements build upon one another to form a foundation. To insert a Smart Art on a slide, follow these steps. Step 1. Click on Insert tab. Step 2. Click on Smart Art command from Illustrations group. This will open Choose a Smart Art graphic dialog box. Step 3. Select a diagram type from the left section of the dialog box. Step 4. Select a design of the diagram you want to insert. Step 5. Click on OK button. This will insert a Smart Art graphic on the slide with text boxes to enter your text. Step 6. Click on the text box to enter your text. You can change the color and design of the Smart Art graphic by selecting the Design and Format tab under the Smart Art tools.